With so many options of tennis balls out there, such as Wilson, Penn, Gamma, Magicrange, Tourna, and more, how to choose the best ones you want. We have done a lot of research to find the top 23 best tennis balls available. We researched and tested 353 tennis balls in the market to get you the list of the best tennis balls. We pick Wilson tennis ball as our top choice. Also, don't skip the other top options and the buying guide of helpful information to guide you towards the perfect tennis ball. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my details. So let's jump to the video without the Number 1. Penn Championship Extra Duty Tennis Balls. Long-lasting play like a tennis pro with the Penn Championship high-altitude head tennis balls. These balls are used by novices and seasoned professionals alike. A good bounce and sturdy but lightweight material allow for big hits and fast movement. Recommended for ages 5 and up. Sturdy design for hard courts with unbeatable performance, unmatched consistency and premium woven felt, all add up to a better personalized experience for you. That's why Penn Championship tennis balls are the official ball of USTA leagues. Multi-purpose Penn tennis ball can also be used as a massage ball after a tiring game. You can lie on top of the ball and let the ball massage your waist. It is comfortable and relieves fatigue. Great use for practice. Penn tennis balls are highly popular among teaching pros and tutors, as well as avid players, as they are highly durable and can be used in all kinds of lessons, practice, and they're also ideal to use with ball machines. Consistency on courts. The great versatility of pressureless balls allows them to be used on any type of courts. Harder. Number 2. Gamma bag of pressureless tennis balls. Ideal for tennis practice. Pressureless tennis balls are highly popular among teaching pros and tutors, as well as avid players. They're highly durable and can be used in all kinds of lessons and practice. Plus, they're ideal to use with throwing machines. Pressureless balls. Maximum performance. Our tennis ball bag contains pressureless tennis balls that won't lose any pressure over time, providing you with maximum performance and durability, unlike standard gas-pressured balls. The ideal sports gift. Our bag of tennis balls can be a great gateway to tennis for any family or makes a great tool for a pro tennis teacher. Their durability makes them great for playing catch with your family or pets. Reusable tennis ball bag. The reusable bag will come in very handy when you want to carry your tennis balls to the courts or for easy storage at home. High consistency on all court types. The versatility of pressureless balls allows them to be used on any court, hard or soft, without issue. They're ideal for teaching and Number 3. Advanced training tennis balls. Practice balls. What you'll get package includes 12 tennis balls and comes with a reusable mesh bag with sliding drawstring cord lock closure. Take it and retrieve the balls conveniently. Specification: diameter 2.5 inches, bounce height about 135 centimeters. Durable material. This tennis ball is made from natural rubber and durable felt material for consistent feel and reduced shock. To ensures the all courts tennis balls will play like new for as long as possible, not easy to get broken normal use. Ideal sports gift. Our tennis balls can not only be a great tool for a pro tennis teacher but also great for family fun and use for signature. Even the ideal way to have fun anywhere and even play with your dog or pets. After sale service. If you have any quality problems with our tennis balls, please feel free to contact us, and we guarantee to solve it until you are satisfied. Replacement or other solutions will be provided. Number 4. Tourna mesh carried bag of 18 tennis balls. Tourna pressureless balls never lose their bounce. Regular tennis balls go flat over time, even if you don't use them. These balls will have the same consistent bounce for the life of the ball. Reusable mesh carried bag. Tourna balls come in a convenient reusable and closable mesh bag for easy transport and storage. Regulation size and bounce. Tourna tennis balls are regulation size and bounce to regulation height. Many pressureless balls are smaller than a regular ball. Play and practice with confidence on all surfaces with Tourna pressureless tennis balls. Durable. Not all tennis balls are created equal. The extra durable felt on the Tourna pressureless tennis balls lasts a long time. Ideal for tennis ball machines, tennis practice. Number 5. Penn Championship Ping Tennis Balls. Penn Performance. Control fiber release provides perfectly even nap, while natural rubber offers consistent feel and reduced shock. The Championship line provides unparalleled consistency every time you hit the court. America's #1 selling ball. The product of 100 years worth of testing and perfecting, Penn Championship is the best-selling tennis ball in America. Official ball. Penn Championship is the official ball of USTA leagues, so you know you're playing with high-quality and consistent ball. Available in extra duty felt, regular duty felt, or extra duty high-altitude felt. USTA and ITF approved. Cans for a cause. Penn will donate 15 cents per can of pink all courts tennis balls sold to benefit breast cancer research. All course. Well, extra duty tennis ball. From my end, I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the price of the product, please see my description. For any problem, please comment below. Stay up to date with our great products that makes your life so much easier.